Ever wondered how long it takes to actually see the money after making a sale on Lightspeed? It's a question burning in the minds of every entrepreneur, especially when you're just starting out or managing tight cash flow. You've poured your heart and soul into your business, you've made the sale, and now you wait. But how long is that wait? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Lightspeed is a powerful point-of-sale system, but understanding its payment processing timelines can be a little tricky. There are a few factors at play, and getting a clear picture can sometimes feel like navigating a maze. We're going to break it all down step by step so you know exactly what to expect and can manage your finances effectively. First, let's address the elephant in the room. There's no single universal answer to this question. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation. The time it takes to get paid depends on several key variables. Think of it like a recipe. You've got multiple ingredients that influence the final outcome. One of the biggest factors is your chosen payment processor. Lightspeed integrates with a variety of processors, each with its own processing times. Are you using Lightspeed Payments, their in-house solution? Or are you connected to a third-party processor like Stripe, Square, or PayPal? Each of these has its own schedule for depositing funds into your account. Lightspeed Payments, for example, often boasts faster processing times compared to some third-party options. They control the entire flow, so they can often streamline the process. However, even within Lightspeed Payments, there can be variations depending on your specific setup and account history. Third-party processors, on the other hand, have their own established timelines. Some might offer next-day deposits, while others might take a couple of business days. It's crucial to check with your specific processor to understand their deposit schedule. Don't assume they all operate the same way. Another critical element is your account verification status. This might seem like a minor detail, but it can significantly impact your payout speed. If your account isn't fully verified, there might be delays in processing your payments. Think of it as a security measure. The payment processors need to confirm your identity and ensure everything is legitimate before releasing funds. So, what does full verification entail? It usually involves providing accurate business information, including your business name, address, tax identification number, and bank account details. You might also need to provide personal identification documents. The sooner you complete this verification process, the smoother your payment processing will be. Now, let's talk about weekends and holidays. These can also play a role in the timing of your deposits. If a payment is processed on a Friday, you might not see the funds in your account until Monday or Tuesday, depending on your bank's processing times and the processor schedule. The same goes for holidays. If a deposit is scheduled for a day that falls on a bank holiday, it will likely be delayed until the next business day. Another factor, though less common, can be your transaction history. If you're a brand new business with limited transaction history, some processors might hold funds for a longer period initially. This is a precautionary measure to mitigate risk. As you build a positive transaction history, these holds usually become shorter or disappear altogether. Now, let's get into some practical scenarios. Let's say you're using Lightspeed Payments. In many cases, you can expect to see funds deposited into your account within 1 to 2 business days. However, this can vary. It's always best to contact Lightspeed support directly to get a clear understanding of their specific deposit schedule for your account. If you're using a third-party processor like Stripe, you'll need to refer to their documentation or contact their support. Stripe, for example, offers various payout schedules, including daily, weekly, or monthly. You can typically customize this to suit your business needs. So, what can you do to speed up the process? First and foremost, ensure your account is fully verified. This is the most crucial step. Double-check all the information you've provided to your payment processor and make sure everything is accurate and up-to-date. Secondly, familiarize yourself with your chosen processor's deposit schedule. Don't just assume it's going to be instant. Take the time to understand their specific timelines and factor them into your financial planning. Thirdly, maintain good communication with your payment processor. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to their support team. They can provide valuable insights into your account status and help you troubleshoot any issues that might arise. Fourth, keep accurate records of your transactions. This will not only help you track your sales and payments, but also make it easier to reconcile your accounts and identify any discrepancies. Finally, consider using a payment processor that aligns with your business needs. If you need access to funds quickly, look for processors that offer faster payout options. Now, let's talk about a common misconception. Many people believe that Lightspeed itself is responsible for the payment processing times. While Lightspeed facilitates the transactions, they are not directly responsible for the deposit times. The actual processing and deposit of funds are handled by the payment processor you've integrated with. So, how can you find this information? The best place to start is your Lightspeed account dashboard. You should be able to find details about your connected payment processor and potentially some information about their deposit schedule. If you can't find it there, check your payment processor's website or contact their support team. Remember, understanding the payment processing timeline is essential for effective cash flow management. It allows you to accurately forecast your finances, pay your bills on time, and make informed business decisions. Don't leave it to chance. Take the time to understand the process and ensure you're getting paid as quickly as possible. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.